Hello kids! Welcome to our Enspire Lab. I hope you're having a very fun day today. Do you like balloons? I love balloons. I love yellow balloons. I love purple balloons. I love pink balloons. Now I will try to blow up the balloon. One more time. It's not blowing up for me. I'm so tired. How can I blow up the balloon? I know. I will do a self-inflating balloon project. To make the self-inflating balloon project, you will need a bottle. Can you say with me? A bottle. Very good. You will need vinegar. Can you say with me? Vinegar. Vinegar. Very good. You will need baking soda. Can you say with me? Baking soda. Baking soda. And a funnel. Can you say with me? A funnel. A funnel. Very good. And you need balloons. Balloons. Can you say with me? Balloons. 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 Very good. Okay, now I will teach you how to do it. Are you ready? Okay, so I will take the vinegar and open it. Now I will pour into the bottle. Pour. I will fill until it's halfway up. Okay, great. So now my bottle is half vinegar. Now I will take a balloon. I will choose the pink balloon. And I will stretch over the funnel. And I will take my baking soda and put it into the balloon. Pour. Shake. Pour. Shake. Okay, now my balloon is full with baking soda. Now I will stretch the balloon and put it on the bottle. And wait, look at this for magic. Now I will lift the balloon and shake. Look, my balloon. It's so big now. Oh, very good. Wow, magic.